If you have been wanting to start your channel for so long, but editing videos, thumbnails, intros, outros are holding you back, then hi, you are at the right place. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Varsha, but you can call me V. And today I found a solution for all your editing problems. I am going to show you how I edit aesthetic vlogs, videos for myself and for my clients so that you can finally start your channel that you have been wanting to for so long. I have already made videos on how to create thumbnails, how to create YouTube intros, and I will link those down in my description down below so you can check them out. And in today's video, we are going to cover the most important part, how to edit full blown videos. Enough with the chit chat, let's just start with the video. Trust me when I say this, you don't need an iPhone to start. I started with this and I created these videos. You can upgrade your camera later on, but start with whatever you have. Posting something is better than posting nothing. So start filming. If you have a camera, that is well and good, but if you don't, start with whatever you have. I know quality does matter, but you never know what will blow up. Plus, you'll gain that confidence and maybe something will blow up on your channel. So first thing, get a phone, get a camera, anything that you are going to film your content with. Next thing is a stand, and the current stand that I'm using was my first stand. Actually, I never felt the need to upgrade because most of the times I'm randomly placing hard boxes and my PR boxes on my table or on chair so that it can pile up and make a stable stand for me. So that could work as well if you're just beginning and if you need to film sit down videos. You don't particularly need a stand, but do invest when you have some amount. This one that I'm currently using was under 700 rupees. Next, a mic. If you're filming aesthetic silent vlogs, you don't need the mic. But if you're filming sitting down videos or talking videos or ASMR videos, you should invest in a good mic. The one that I'm currently using was for 14 to 1500 rupees between that, and you can get mics under 1000 rupees as well. Now let's talk about the filming. If you're filming aesthetic vlogs, B-rolls are your best friend. B-rolls are just extra clips you shoot for your main video. Example, if your main video is talking to the camera, your B-rolls could be you working, you walking. They show what you're doing, not just saying it. B-rolls basically make your videos less boring, more aesthetic and fun to watch. Next, play with angles. Even the same clip looks different from different angles. Yes, motion makes everything interesting. Now, coming to the editing, first of all, you can edit everything on your phone. Yes, everything on your phone and for free. All the apps that I'm going to share with you today are absolutely free. Here are some apps that you can use for editing your videos. Today, we are going to use CapCut because I feel like it has more option available. I know CapCut isn't available in India. Either you can try alternatives of it or just learn how to use CapCut in India. I have created multiple videos where I've shared how we can use CapCut in India. So let's start with the editing process. So first, create a project and add all of your videos that you want in your video. And before doing anything else, make sure the format is 16:9 for YouTube. And if you're creating it for Instagram, so make sure it is 9:16. Start from trimming your videos, cut out extra parts, long pauses, things you don't need. This gives your video a structure, a timeline. Now, coming to transition. For aesthetic videos, keep your transition subtle. With the transition, play around. There are a lot of transition available in CapCut and in other apps that you are going to use for editing your videos. So play around, whatever seems fit, use that. Don't make it too dramatic. Sometimes being simple is the best. Next up, we have overlays. Overlays can really enhance your videos. You can add photos, videos, stickers. You can find aesthetic stickers on Pinterest and add them here. CapCut also has stickers, but sometimes I need something extra. Now let's talk about text. Fonts and doodles. Text is important, but don't overdo it. Use text for titles, storytelling, and captions. CapCut has inbuilt fonts, but if you want something more, then you can go on free websites like DaFont, FreeFont. Don't stress too much about fonts. There are a lot of options you can try from. CapCut also has this auto caption feature where it automatically generates caption for your entire video, but it has to be a talking video or a voiceover. It is great for talking videos, but you will have to check it entirely, especially for Hindi words. Now, if you like to add doodles, CapCut has a draw option. For beginners, this is more than enough. But if you want more, you can just add it from outside as an overlay. Next up, music. It is one of my favorite part because it just lighten up your entire video, and it is also very important in an aesthetic video. The music plays a huge role. But guys, also remember that you have to use a non-copyright audio for your YouTube channel, otherwise you'll get a strike and you don't want that for your channel. So for beginners, you can just search on YouTube non-copyright audio and you will find some. There are aesthetic no copyright audios as well. Explore, save them, and reuse them. But always, always, always remember that you have to give credits to the owner, to the channel that you are using and taking the audio from in your description. Last step, color correction. Just experiment and see what looks good on your videos and your clips, but try to maintain same filter or same adjustments on your entire video so that it looks cohesive. Now, an ultimate tool that every creator is using and should use these days. This tool not only helps you to grow your channel, to grow your account, but to increase your sale and to generate revenue from it. Yes, you heard it right. This tool not only helps with your engagement, it also helps you to grow and to earn. I personally grew from around 1000 to 12,000 now, and I'm not even that active on Instagram. But the biggest reason to grow was the auto DM feature of the tool. The tool is called superprofile.bio, and before telling you more about it, here's how you can use the auto DM feature. First, create an account, link your Instagram, and now select auto DM, click on create automation. Click on comments on your post or reel. Select your post or reel you want to automate your DM for. Tap next and add your keywords. Adding keywords will trigger the automation. Click on next. Now here comes the best feature, a DM asking to follow you, which means the user have to follow you before getting the information out of you, out of your profile actually. So you can just turn that on and add your details. Now tap on next and hit confirm and launch. It automatically replies to comment and DM, so more reach, more engagement, and more followers. You can also set up your own digital store using this tool and sell your digital products. That was it for today, and I hope this video will help you to create your own video. I have linked my thumbnail tutorial and YouTube intro tutorial in the description down below. Now you have a full guide on how to edit YouTube videos. So that was it for today, and if this video helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay creative.